to my channel. Welcome to the Falcon 64 project. Today's video is going to be powder coating again. I've been working on tearing apart the front suspension on the Falcon here. I got the spindles all cleaned up and ready to go. And also I bought a aftermarket cross member that goes underneath the motor and ties the two engine mounts together. And I got that today. So I'm gonna powder coat all these. It's gonna be misty burgundy, and everything's pretty much ready to go. I just need to off gas them. Well, first clean them up with some acetone, and then I'm gonna off gas them, let them sit in the oven at about 350 for about probably 20-30 minutes, and then bring them out and get them hung up and shoot them with the misty burgundy. So stay tuned, I'll bring you back and when I got them in the oven ready to go. So I just wanted to show you the spindles. I soaked them and then I sat there and put them in the blast cabinet. So I need to, obviously the blast cabinet did its number on the tape, so I'm gonna retape those up. I'm gonna use plugs to keep all the holes clean. Hopefully I got a plug big enough for there. And once I get those all, I'm gonna wipe it all down first with acetone and then retape all that. Let me show you the cross mount too. Picked this up off of falconparts.com. I want to say it was 60 something bucks, 85 bucks by the time I had it shipped to me. And, you know, it's raw, so I'm just gonna wipe it down with acetone and then bake it up, and then shoot it with my misty burgundy. I think that'll be a nice little addition, some color underneath the motor there. Basically this goes right, well, it's a little high right now for me to sit here and get it up underneath here, but anyways, it sits basically right in between there. So it goes right up underneath the motor. It mounts right to where the engine mounts bolt up to. So I already checked that out and seemed to fit just perfectly. So anyways, I'll bring you back once I get them in the oven ready to go. Alright, I got them all loaded up there, got them plugged up, raring to go. So again, I'm going to put this at 350 and I'm going to do 20 minutes just to off gas them. This bakes off any fingerprints, any oil, grease, you know, something that I just accidentally might have touched it or something. It just removes any garbage basically. So I'm going to get that going. And I'll bring you back when I got it all set up and cooled off, ready to shoot. Alright everyone, I just got them out of the oven. I'm just going to sit here and let them cool off. Typically I get it down to about 100, maybe 120, 130, somewhere in there. Anyways, I'm going to let them cool off. I already got the gun set up with the misty burgundy. And we'll get shooting here in a minute. I'll bring you back. There we go. looking over everything, making sure it's all good. Don't want to see any bare spots. Alright, I think I'm good. Alright, I got them all in the oven. Took some finesse in there. I actually bumped a couple spindles, or the spindles once, but anyways, we'll see how it turns out. Temperature is 400 degrees for 10 minutes, so here we go. So, just want to talk about all the powder. So, I filled my hopper up a little too much, and I ended up wasting a bunch, as you could tell. I put 2 cups in there. I probably should have just did like, shoot, maybe just a cup, and let it go on. So basically, I wasted some. That's the one downside, I guess, to the Harbor Freight gun, is that, you know, you can't put too much in or you'll get too much out, and there's that comfortable medium with it. I was flowing about 15 psi at the regulator on my gun. Obviously you can sit there and see that right now it shows right at 60, but that's how much air pressure's come to the line once you flow it. See, it drops it down. Anyways, just wanted to explain that. And usually it's not that bad or that wasteful. So, anyways. Alright everyone, I got them out of the oven. Got them up here cooling. Got the plugs out. Haven't got the tape off yet, but just wanted to bring this video to a close and let you see the finished product. I think they turned out pretty nice. I mean, considering these spindles are 50 years old and giving them new life. Cleaned them all up. Once I get them back installed, you look up underneath the car, it is going to be beautiful. First time I've seen this, it kind of looks like it's a little flowy, which I'd never noticed that before. I might have got it on there a little thick, just because of the way it was putting out the powder. But anyways, just wanted to show you this is what you could do at home for minimal money. I mean, I forget what I have in the paint booth, but the powder coating gun is 75 bucks, I believe, at Harbor Freight, and the powder's pretty cheap. I want to say I just purchased some more Misty Burgundy, and it was, let's just say, 15 bucks a pound for the powder. So I mean, this is not too expensive to do at home for yourself if you're restoring an old automobile. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please hit me up. Please share the video with friends that you know are interested in this type of stuff. Definitely trying to grow the channel. Need as much help as I can get with that. Right now we're sitting at 48, I believe 48, 49 subscribers. And I'm enjoying this. And I just thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.